Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you an exercise on finding letters using the large movable alphabets from the language area. This exercise reinforces the sounds of the letters of the alphabet, and also it prepares the child for future word building exercises. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to find letter sounds using the large movable alphabets. Are you ready?
Yes.
Judith, can you look for the sound O? O. O. Can you put it over here? Very good, Judith. Judith, can you look for the sound Very good, Judith. Can you put it on the mat? Judith, can you look for the sound S? S. S. Well done, Judith. I have another sound. Judith, can you look for T? T. 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 Very good, Judith. Can you put it on the mat? Let's look for another sound, Judith. Can you look for K? K. 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 Yes, Judith. Very good, Judith. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you the next time.